Hello friend, now your 2000 liters homogenizer mixer group is ready and now I will test this machine for you. To receive this machine, you should firstly connect this machine according to the number and the letter like this, V to V, P to P. And here we have I to I, S to S, and here you also can see 27 to 27, 28 to 28, and so on, like this. You should firstly connect this. Then you should connect the wires in the electric box. Firstly, you should connect the factory power on this, like this. And then you should connect the wires according to the number. We have marked the numbers on these wires and you should just connect it according to it. Here we have 6 main pipes and you should just connect it according to the words marked on it. Like the first one, you can see the steam, you should just connect it to the steam. And the second one is the tap water, you just connect it to the tap water. And this one is the cooling water in. You should just connect it to your cooling water tower. And the next one is pure water and connect it to the pure water tower. And this one is about the cooling water out. And you can connect it with your wastewater pour. And the last one is the drain water and also connect it to your wastewater pour. You can see we have many pipes for each mixer and I will introduce the functions of each pipe and valve and where you should use them. And as you can see, we have marked the functions of the pipe here and I will introduce them one by one. The first one is this cooling water in. If you want to cool down the materials in the mixer, you should just open this valve. And here we have the concentrate water out. And if you want to use the steam heating function, you should just open these 2 valves. And after 3 or 4 minutes, you should close this valve. Here you can see the drain water out. If you have any drain water in the tank, you can just connect this pipe to that pipe and then open the output button and then the drain water will come out from the tank and into the drain water pipe. In here for each tank we also have 4 pipes and valves and I will tell you the function of one by one. We have marked the function of that and you can see here this is the tap water. You can connect it with a pipe and you can use the tap water here. And for the pure water you can also connect it with the pipe and you can use the pure water here. And here you can see, here we have the steam pipe and if you want to use the steam heating function, you should just open this valve and then open the valve I just told you a few minutes ago under the tank and the heating function will begin. And here we also have the cooling water out. When you open the cooling water in under the tank, you should open this valve. After that, here you can see on the top of the mixer we have a pipe. This pipe is connected to the CIP system and if you want to wash the tanks you can just connect this pipe to the tap water and then the CIP system will begin to wash the tank. Now I will introduce the functions of this control box for you one by one. Here you can see we have an emergency stop button, and if you want to have a sudden stop, you can press this button to let the machine stop suddenly. And here you can see the voltmeter, the homogeneous current of the number 1 mixer, the number 2 mixer, number 3 mixer, and the number 4 mixer. And here we have 5 temperature control. You can see it will show the current temperature of each tank. And here you can see the homogenizing time of number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4 tank. And you can set the homogenizing time by the, you can show this to set the time. And also, if you want to change the units, you can screw these screws. Twisting these screws to change the unit, and for the numbers here you can twist this screw to change. And here we also have the inventor of the mixing, and if you want to change the speed of mixing, you can screw this. You can screw this. And here under it we have many buttons. You can see the functions underneath. And if you want to start this function, you can press the green button and stop it by pressing the red button. Now I will test these functions of the mixers for you one by one. And the first one is about the number 1 tank. I will test the mixing function first. Firstly, open this button and then fully. You can see here. And then I will close it successfully. Set the number to 0 and then close it. Then it's about the homogenizing. Open it button. And then close the function. Close this button. Then it's about the mixing function of the number 2 mixer. Firstly, open this button and then through this. You can see here the mixing, and then I will close it. Firstly, through this to get the number to 0 and then close it. And then it's the homogenizing function. Open it. And then close it. Then it's about the mixing function of the number 3 mixer. Open it and screw this. Yes, here. Mix these. And then I will close it. Firstly, screw this. Get it to 0. And then close it. And then it's this homogenizing function. Yeah, open it. And then close it. And the mixing function of the number 4 tank. First open it and then screw this. Then close it. Then it will form lighting function. Sorry, wait for the stop of the mixing function. I will start this lighting function like this. And then I will close it. And then is the oil pot mixing. I will open it. And you can see here. And then I will close that. Now this one is for this part pump, and when you want to discharge the materials in the tank, you should just open this button, and this one is for standby.